What is a root canal and when is it necessary? That's a good question. A root canal is a treatment that we render to a tooth that has an infection.
It's a similar thing to a filler, just in the bottom of the tooth.
It sounds difficult, it sounds terrible, but it's not. You come in, we get the tooth nice and numb, you can't feel anything. A lot of my patients just fall asleep during the procedure. Once it's numb, you can't feel anything. We wash out the inside and place a filling in the root to fill the void so there's no place for bacteria to grow again, and then seal it up. And then eventually, the tooth probably will need a crown, but that's a separate issue. We wait till everything's quiet and that you're feeling good. And when things are stable, we put a permanent crown on the tooth.
So lots of times we'll diagnose a tooth as needing a root canal and a patient will say, oh, well, it hurts so bad, just take it on out of there. I don't even want to deal with it. And my go-to is there's no replacing a natural tooth. We've got plenty of tooth replacement solutions now, like thankfully we're in the modern day of dentistry. There's tons of options, but the best thing to keep in your mouth is that natural tooth, and we want to do everything we can to keep it in there.
Yeah, we usually try to do root canal treatments in one visit. I think the hardest part of a root canal is the anxiety, the apprehension about what it's all about, and it's not that difficult. So let's say a tooth is hurting, but it's not devastatingly hurting. Your question is, should I wait? Should I see if anything worse develops? Don't do that. Just give us a call. Come on in, let's take a look, and we'll do an evaluation.
We do no charge second opinions. We want you to come in. We're really happy and excited to answer all your questions. And we want you to come in and we want to take a look. If it takes some more x-rays or an exam, we can talk about that. But just for a second opinion, we want you to come in, feel comfortable, get to know us, and get our opinion on things.
And there's no fee for a second opinion.